The digital output section can power any device you want to turn on or off, using the same voltage as your main power supply. Make sure your device can handle that voltage level. A small plus sign on the PCB marks the entire rail where you should connect the positive terminals of your devices. And another side is negative side. For the FPV camera, use the first terminal marked with a number 1 and a small star. The star indicates that this is the most powerful terminal, capable of handling up to 2 amps. The other 7 terminals can each handle only 0.3 amps. Plug in the camera, and on the main screen of the application you will see digital outputs. Click on Digital Output 1. Your camera should turn on, and make sure you're using additional fan. Most of the FPV cameras are designed to work in well-ventilated environment. Choice of the FPV camera is up to user's preference. In our case, we used Avatar VRX combo. It allows us to bind it directly to the monitor by just using a HDMI cable. It is good advice to place the FPV station further away from the link shock station to reduce the potential for interference.